everyone, hari ini kita mau
Aku pakai helmnya
camp.
Silvu.
Hai Silvi. Nih ada Cilda nih.
Halo.
Mau kemana Cil? Holiday. Ya.
Holiday.
Oke, kita udah mungkin 1/8 atau 1/10 perjalanan. Kita lagi berhenti di sebuah masjid buat sholat asar. Ini siapa ini tiduran kayak gini ya? Siapa ini tiduran kayak gini? Tuh. Ini kita berdua 19 atau 18 gitu. Cilda. Oke, kita berangkat dulu. Udah cantik-cantik lagi. Ini apa lagi? Ini mbak.
Voice inside my head. Hello, hello. I believe you. How can I forget? Is this a place?
Tetap jaga kasih sayang, bawain oleh-oleh gitu, tetap jaga kasih sayangnya, jangan sampai
Jangan.
diberikan ke orang lain.
Tetap cinta dan sama kita bertiga.
Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side.
Alhamdulillah kita udah sampai di Pantai Jumok. Denger banget nih desiran ombaknya sama hey Ajus ya Ajumma. Perlihatkan wajah kalian.
Kita habis melewati berbagai banyak hal, apalagi diboncengin sama Mas ini.
Gue yakin besok pagi lu pasti bakal puas banget.
Let's go out and be wild, do it while we can. Running free in the world, we got all we can. Tear it up, tear it down, getting lost in the sound of our hearts beating. Take me here, take me now, getting lost in the crowd with you. All night, I waited for you all my life. Hold my hand and keep me close. I never let you go.
ini tuh aduh.
Aku berberapa ya coba sih ya.
20. 1.
20. 20. 20.
21 ya?
Udah kepala dua, udah kepala dua.
Kepala 2 ini 20. Yang heboh yang ini. Yang heboh yang ini heboh. Emang 2 orang ini.
Where should we run to? We got the world in our hands and we're ready to play. They say we're wasted, but how can we waste it if we're loving every day? Okay, I got the keys to the universe, so stay with me, 'cause I got the keys, babe. Don't wanna wake up one day wishing that we'd done more. I wanna live fast and never look back, it's what we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day wondering where did it all go, 'cause we'll be home before we know. I wanna hear you singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind, we coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright. Dry those eyes, we'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. So mama, don't stress your mind, so mama, don't stress your mind. We got a ticket that takes us wherever we like. We got our problems.
Oke, kita udah mau pulang lagi. Udah selesai liburannya. Dan kita mau pulang nih. Padahal habis hujan jalannya becek. Tapi nggak apa-apa, kita pulang dulu. Nggak ada. Oke, terima kasih untuk semuanya. Dan semoga kita masih bisa liburan di liburan-liburan selanjutnya. See you on the next trip. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Sometimes I lay under the moon, I thank God I'm breathing, and I pray don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they bleed on the souls of the innocent. Blood-drenched pavement, keep on moving though the water stay raging. In this space, you can lose your way. In my job, you crazy, but don't let it face you. No way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for,
Oke, jadi kita masih di rumah Madun. Dari tadi tuh Jenny ngerekam, tapi belum kerekam. Ini orang ini. Tuh, annyeong. Annyeong.
stop with the violence, stop with the hate.